The electric device that I like most in my house is television. It is used to watch news, movies, music programs, and many other interesting programs. Everyone in my family use television, especially in the evening when we have a free time. My parents usually watch news and drama, while my siblings and I enjoy cartoons, games, symphony, and sport. I like this device because it helps us relax and enjoy time together as a family. It also helps me learn new things around documentary and education programs. Watching television is one of my favorite hobbies after school. It makes me feel happy and comfortable every day. I usually watching TV after finish homework. It helps me relax after work.